Here I am. I am GappaMagix. Oh, says I'm in Hennepin County. That's funny because that's the back entrance to the state park, Flandreau State Park. And anyway, seems like the phone wants to glitch because you got a bunch of crooked federal agents trying to say that I'm somewhere else, and it doesn't even want to record. I am GappaMagix 8566. I am GappaMagix 5678. And guess what? I'm about to gift the beast that rest of that Shamrock Shake and as well a couple other items. And here I am about to exit this fucking vehicle, my fucking car that I bought and paid cash. Gifting them oatmeal that I froze into a bar, like a candy bar. Gifting them chocolate. Gifting 2 burritos. Gifting pretzels. Like pretzels that you get from the bag that you purchase. Crunchy pretzels. And anyway, oh yeah, 2 Little Debbie, what are they called? Little Debbie cakes, Nutty Buddy bars, but they're not Nutty Buddy bars, they're like Twinkies. And anyway, don't ever fucking try to fucking take my motherfucking identity, you cocksucking crooked federal turd. You motherfuckers are cursed now by St. Patrick himself and all the other leprechauns and any other beast and Satan and God and Jesus Christ and the Medusa and anyone pretty much that wants to curse you all. Any god or entity or goddess. See, that's my car. I'm not in Hennepin County. I'm not in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This is State Park, New Ulm, Minnesota. And to make sure you cocksuckers and cocksuckettes know it, guess what? Once I get done gifting these items, then I'm going to put the phone on pause and I'm going to go down to this spot where I filmed this huge memorial for the city of New Ulm. It's like a decorative monument of how you say stuff that's on it. It's made out of like figurines and stuff carved out of wood. Something similar to a totem pole. But anyway, here I am, and we're also going to see if the beast received his last food that I gifted, and as well, looks like somebody's been out here on cross-country skiing. That's great. It's good to see people trying to be active out here. I wasn't filming when I was driving, but anyway, what I did see was a bunch of deer. And anyway, there was about 10, 12 deer, and they were sitting on the opposite side of the road near the entrance where I parked the car. My car, paid cash. Also fixed the rust and dents on that car. And anyway though, I will talk shit. I will cuss. If you don't like it, if I just offended you, I'm sorry. And I'm only sorry if you are on my side, meaning respect for me. If you're mad at me because I said that shit, well, fuck you and suck shit out of my fucking ass. I mean that shit. I don't give a fuck about you, just like I don't give a fuck about what I just fucking said. And anyway, it'll take a while walking, and forgot how much extra effort it is to walk in snow. That's the main reason why I'm walking on this path that's already, how you say, skied on. So we're going to pause it now because it's quite a ways to get there still. It's rather deep snow now, about 8 inches. I'm lucky I'm standing on this That's rabbit print, if you're wondering. You can tell by the pattern. If you don't believe me, look it up on Google. Rabbit prints in the snow. Anyway, walk out here and take a look if the food's there, if it's gone. I know it started snowing right after I gifted the food the other day. Now I'm going to pause it again. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to take one big leap. Like that. Something was here, sitting here, and here. Probably just a deer. See the box from here. There's that tree with the blood on it again. Wow. Forgot to check the temperature. We'll do that once we put the food in the box. Can't believe you pieces of shit keep on saying that I'm somewhere in this different part of Minnesota, stealing my identity and my ATM card that I believe is already in some piece of shit federal agent's possession, spending my money. And anyway, take a look over here. That tree just started moving. That one just did too. That was awkward. And anyway, let's see what we got going on here. Looks like it didn't quite know what it was doing. It didn't want to open the whole box up. Let's see what we got going on here. It took the meat sandwich. It didn't want the peanut butter jelly sandwich. See? And it took a couple bites of pancake. Well, it didn't want that peanut butter jelly sandwich. I guess it didn't want its pancakes either. Now it's getting picky. It told me it wanted pancakes. Take that stuff to the other creature over at 8th Street Hill area behind the hospital in New Ulm, Minnesota. And anyway, now here we go. Set the phone there again. I just don't want to be, how you say, not doing its job. Now the beast, you believe me or not, there is a beast here, period. And if it ate the meat sandwich like it requested just that, well, so I gave it that. But I also didn't have a lot because I said I had 2 sandwiches to give him, but I didn't have enough to make 2 sandwiches. And anyway, now also find out that he didn't drink his juice. He didn't. How you gonna stay healthy if you don't drink your electrolytes? And anyway, see, you don't want that. Take it back to I don't know, but maybe it wants this Shamrock Shake since it is St. Patrick's Day. put that down here. I'll show you where I put it at the end here. And then, alright, here we go. Start opening all this stuff up. Knew I should have brought another box out here. And I got a big old slab of oatmeal, frozen, like the movie. Let it go, let it go. I wasn't afraid of snow anyway. Let it go, let it go. Gonna have to bring a new box out here next time. These are good pretzels. See, I'll eat one. They're mighty good. Got burritos here, freshly cooked. And in here, got some chocolate. Throw all that in there. So hopefully the actual beast receives this food and not just small critters that have been, how you say, taking this food, because I'm pretty sure that's what is sometimes happening. But you know, can't really control who takes it, I guess. But there's that. And as well, taking that drink back, replacing it with the festive drink, Shamrock Shake. Now, it's going to take force now to take this off of there. There. That's good enough now. Put a little snow in my hand here and make sure my hands are clean. Alright, now I'll check the temp. Starting to snow. That's the temp. Claims to be 28 degrees. Feels like 14 degrees. 14, yeah. And anyway, that's it, really. My job is done. Technically not done until I walk all the way out of here and get in the car and leave, but hey, I see some type of bird up there. Hold on. I think it's an eagle. An American bald eagle. But anyway, talking shit to you cocksuckers and cocksuckettes, saying that I'm in a different goddamn part of this fucking state right now, is really pissing me the fuck off. I forgot I wasn't filming. I gotta go back and show proof of what I just was speaking about. set this right here and get it on the way out. Anyway, the burritos were took, and I thought I had the phone on film, but it wasn't. And anyway, the burritos from the other day, on the 14th, of March, he ate one of them and ate most of the trips and stuff. Didn't want that juice. I put the juice back in the bag, as you can see. But what I'm going back to show you is what I thought I had on film. It was on pause. The beast took one of the burritos and put it up high in the tree, so that way no one else eats it. And anyway, let me show you one more time here. Little chip there too. Throw that over there by him. Right there. Put it up high. He took a bite too. Took a bite and let it be. So I'm not for sure if it's Wendigo or Wolfman or Dogman or Coyote Man, or how you say morphed animal that is abducted by extraterrestrial beings and warped into a humanoid bipedal creature that was once a word that we called a wolf or a coyote or fox or dog. And anyway, that's a hypothetical deduction. Or is it a Wendigo? Wendigos want to eat meat too. And anyway, all I do know is this. Pissing me off about saying that I'm in a different part of Minnesota when I'm not. So, soon enough here on this same video, I'm going to pause here shortly. I'm going to take this stuff, the stuff that it didn't want, over to the other beasts area near 8th Street Hill, New Ulm, Minnesota. That's Newulm, Minnesota. Minnesota. Zip code 56073. And anyway, I'm just going to pause it now. Beast just told me to tell you all, if you come out here, you better leave some food out when you're camping. Otherwise, he may mess with you. Simple as that. There's those deer I was telling you about that I've seen chilling. Whole family of them. GappaMagix don't lie. Before I take everything up there, first off, let me show you where I'm parked at. This is the fucking way of the cross right here. Alright? That means there's only one motherfucking place like this, and it's in New Ulm, Minnesota. Okay? You fucking pieces of shit want to steal my fucking goddamn ID and then say that I'm in a different fucking city. Suck motherfucking shit out of my motherfucking ass. Punk bitch made punk motherfuckers. I will say that to y'all's face too. Or in the courtroom. Say that to y'all's face. Get you so fucking mad you swing a fucking punch and I beat the fuck out of you. You know, here's a sad fucking fact that you motherfucking maggots may or may not know about me. I don't give a fuck who's taller than me, who works out harder than me, who eats more food than me, who is anything, basically. You know, I've only fought people that are larger than me. So at the end of the day, knowing that you motherfuckers think you're bullies, and I'm just following the script to pick on somebody smaller than me. That's what I actually heard somebody say once, trying to sound cool in front of his girlfriend. Then I talked shit to his girlfriend to see what he would see what he would do. I'm not gonna, well, I will tell you. Anyway, got him to swing a punch, and I let him swing 2 or 3 more punches. Then I ran at him, faked the left, socked him right in the jaw with the right. I'm pretty sure I broke his jaw. So you guys want to disrespect somebody smaller than you, huh? Guess what, motherfucker? I'll beat the fucking dog shit out of you, motherfuckers. If I offended you, I'm proud that I did now. Look at this. A stripped piece of wood. Takes a lot of time to strip that away by claw. In my opinion, that's how it got stripped away. Big print right here. Meaning, look like a footprint too. Now, there's a tree around here I'm going to film real quick. It's up here. Now, you don't believe in magic, huh? Tell me, how the fucking goddamn hell did this barbed wire magically climb all the way around and up this tree then? It's an honest question. And what's that way up there? That red thing. I honestly have no idea what that thing is. Hold on. It's like a piece of carpet. And anyway, look at all that barbed wire all strung around there and stuff. Then, might as well go and show you the magical log stuck in the fence. I'm gonna pause it till I get there. Yo, that's not my print. Look it. That's where I came. This is exactly where I stopped. That is a print. Huh. Honestly, I have no idea. But anyway, here's the